Do you want to change your clip to black and white and transition like a pro? Stick around and I'll show you how. If you want just the basic black and white video change, you can just simply come over and select your clip. Go over to your color tab. Once in the color tab, you will see that you have this primary color wheel. You want to actually display the RGB, and once you've got that displayed, you want to come down here to where it says monochrome, and you just select that. Once that is selected, that will change your whole video clip that you have selected to black and white. So when you play it, it's all now black and white. So say you want to actually do the video change to a transition, that's simple enough to do. Just go back and make everything all back in color. As you can see, this time frame is 12 seconds long. You can go over here to this edit section for your timeline playhead. You can type in 6.0. That will automatically change your playhead to half of the video. Since it was 12 seconds, now it's a half. You can actually do a cut right there. You can put in a slide transition right in the middle of that. Select the second half of your video, change that to black and white, go back to your timeline, and you can adjust the transition to how you want it. You can put a little border on it, just a small border, to make it actually distinguish where the transition is. You can also change the color of the border to however you want. We'll make it black in this case and go from there. So if you were to look at this video, it looks color in the beginning and then changes to black and white.